two beetle dampers here. Let me bring you guys more down to earth over here. Maybe we'll even put on a light more too. There. Hold on for this brief intermission. That's not gonna happen. Anyway. So we have the Yerf dog go-kart over here. And although I do want to put quad tires on this thing, trust me, that is in the future, because this thing would be awesome. I could just imagine it with quad tires. For now, this is what we got. And honestly, there's nothing wrong with these tires. But what I do want to take a look at is in here, because yep, got a little wobble there. And I also want to measure this out. Oh wow, a lot of that wobble is actually from this tie rod. Wow. Yeah, pretty much both tie rods actually. But regardless, it's okay. Here, we're gonna measure this out. So it should be, I'm gonna assume either ½ inch or 3/4. Maybe it's a 5/8. Can't exactly tell with this one. Let me get my other one. Yeah, this one might be a little easier to see. Alright, yeah, ½ inch. Just about ½ inch. Plus or minus. Yeah. Plus or minus maybe a little. But I also it's a 6 out of 10. That doesn't sound right. I'm gonna say it's ½ inch. I'm gonna assume that. Regardless, we gotta do something about all this. This is pretty bad. It's not just, this whole thing is loose. Now let's take a look at these bearings too, which is the whole point of this video. I mean, the bearings are still there, but we're gonna replace these. We're not gonna reuse these same bearings. Partially because I have a whole big bag of them right here. And all of them are brand new. So we're gonna grease the hell out of everything. Yeah, look at that, brand new. Yeah, these look like they've had their fair share of use. Let's grab the hammer. Good. This. moving? Hasn't moved at all. Alright, we're gonna hit it on the other side now. Oh. It felt like it was moving, but I might just be poking holes in it, honestly. Yep, we got the one. All right, let's grab this other one now. How you doing? It is out. Well, one just completely disintegrated. The other one actually held up okay, but let's see, this should be. Yes, it is. Correct one, YouTube. It is the correct one. There we go. There we go. Other side. Again, this is something I've been wanting to do for a long hot minute. There we go. Oh, YouTube. Look at that. Look at this one. Doesn't even look like there was much left of it anyway. Yeah. Definitely feel a difference there. These tires are dry rotted like crazy, but they still hold air. So we're just going to continue using them for now. Let's tighten up this a little bit, and I am going to adjust that shock so it's a little more up. It's just too low in the front. We got to try to bring this whole thing up a bit. So we're going to move that over and maybe adjust this. See if we can bring this up a bit as well. I believe this is all adjustable, if I remember correctly. Yeah, this should all be adjustable. Alright, so let's get her done and tighten this up for sure at the very least. We're not going to replace this tire rod just yet, but we're definitely going to tighten this up. It looks like might also be missing a washer in here, so let's get all that done. Put you guys on the side. All right, YouTube. Take a look at that. They're pretty solid. Look at the steering. No more super loose steering anymore. Nice and tight. Even the bearings. And I adjusted the suspension to be in the middle, so it's just a little tighter. So it's not just hopping over every bump like you're flying in the air. Eventually, this is my goal for the winter. Right? I want to put quad tires. We're gonna have to wait for the next video for that, I think, to really go into great detail. Yeah, we'll go into detail a little bit. Got a little time. I want to put some brand new shocks all around, some shock dampeners to make it a little more soft, almost like a Raptor when it goes over a jump. I mean, like a Ford Raptor. Maybe a new seat cover, unless I can find a seat cheap. We're not going to replace the seat belts or anything like that. We're going to give it a nice fresh paint job and see if we can find some new guards. Very little stuff. I don't want to go super crazy with it, but I want to preserve it, keep it going. The biggest thing I think is going to be for it is I want to put some quad tires on it, and I think it would be so cool if I put these Grizzly tires on it, which are, I think, 25s. Let's see. 18, the 25-inch tires. That would be a crazy difference, I think, for this quad. I think it would just really make it stand out personally. And this thing would be in the air. But we would have to find adapters. It'd be like a little bit of a process for it. And also we'd have to find a way to really extend this entire piece out. Might have to beef up some of the suspension for that. Man, would that be cool? What do you guys think? Wouldn't that, I don't know, in my opinion, this thing would be so cool. But that might be me just being crazy here. Anyway, that's what we did today. And yeah, it's just nice and tight now. We're gonna give it a rip and see how she does. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.